Hello, my name is Paper and welcome to the Paperrich channel. So today I rented a RV and it's called the Gemini 2016.
So you get to your campsite and you find that it's a little off. Okay. There is actually a level in.
Pretty new. It's not that new, but it's good. It's good for like 2 people. Okay. So let's come with me. This is like this extra storage. Over here, instead of putting gas, you put diesel. Okay. This is water pump. Sorry. And this is the diesel. Oh yeah. This is the electricity where you put like the plug in. Then after the whole thing will have electricity, and we can watch TV. Right now, I'm filling up the water for the RV. It's taking a long time. I'm unplugging the battery plug. No, it's battery. This is. It's for when you shower. All the water after showering will come to here. Like after when you do number 2, it'll come here. Then after you gotta put it in the garbage somewhere. These are storage also. Sort it out and put it where the other wires are. Pretty sure this is storage. This is where we drive. Like, oh. And this is the key for it. You can unlock it. Oh, and this is where you put the diesel. Then the Mira is normal. Then this car is made from Ford. It's actually pretty big for 2 people. There's a funny thing about RV. You can turn that over. Let me give you a tour of the RV. So here is the control panel. We got like the driving wheel, the stuff, the normal stuff, the radio, and the air conditioning. Now we got the big couch bed, not a sofa bed, but it's a couch bed. You can just extend it. Okay, so now over here we got like you can cook anything you want in here. Put it and you'll get a fire. This is where you like this is where you wash your like pans or like bowls, or you can cook stuff with it. If you switch modes, there's different modes. You can even pull it down. Okay, now this is the fridge, storage. Then this is the bed. We haven't really extended it yet, but it's okay. Like it's just like a normal bed. Now this is the washroom. It's pretty tiny, actually. Shower. Where you wash your hands, I forgot what that's called. Then toilets, pretty small. And there is a big fan up there, like not really big, but you can pull it out. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, but there is one TV over here, and one TV over there. You can only use DVDs. One part of the RV, you gotta extend and retract, for example, the bed. So I'm gonna retract the bed